Hey friends! Something that's been weighing on me recently is the idea that I lack the time to do everything that I want to do. I think I've always been the type of person to put a lot on their plate, and it's incredibly frustrating to feel like I'm working so hard to get things done, and at the end of the day, there is still so much left to do. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, but expecting different results. With this new bullet journal spread, I feel like I've finally taken control of my time and my sanity. The fact of the matter is, there is a lot that I want to do, but another fact that I was completely ignoring before is that I need to be ruthless with my time. This realization changed everything. As I was putting together this spread, I realized that yes, I have a long list of projects and an even longer list of things that I want to do, but I need to be realistic about how I actually can and want to spend my time right now. I had to ask myself, in the hours that I have during the week, what do I want to accomplish? What will bring me the utmost fulfillment? I decided to break down my answer to this question into 4 parts: my content, my shop, personal items, and podcast. Anything that didn't fit into these 4 categories can be revisited in the next quarter. Based on these 4 categories/priorities, I wrote down some goals and really tried to be as concise as possible. I have a tendency to be overly ambitious, and while I think it's important to have an idea of everything that needs to get done, I've learned that it can be overwhelming to see such a long list. Keeping it simple is a good start, and I can always add on more things as things get checked off. From here, I went into the weekly spread. I drew out and started to block off the chunks of time that I would dedicate to each of the above categories. Most of these blocks are estimates or simply how I would like to block my time.
Sorry, did I say something wrong? Pardon me for breathing, which I never do anyway, so I don't know why I bothered to say it. Oh God, I'm so depressed.
Not every week will look like this, but it gives me a good baseline and something to reference each time I plan a new week in my bullet journal. At the bottom of the spread, I also wrote what each day's focus would be. In more recent weekly spreads, I've moved this section to the top. This not only helps me batch similar tasks within that day, but it also provides clarity on how I should be spending my time and energy. This simple bullet journal spread has helped me leaps and bounds since I first created it. It helped me realize how to make time for everything that I want to do right now and not get overwhelmed by everything that I want to do at some point, really distinguishing the difference between the two. I was able to reassess my priorities for this quarter and to have a system for reflecting on them this next quarter. How do you make time for everything that you want to do? Do you use a bullet journal like I do? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with a pen friend who you think might also enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and to turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss any of our videos. I do my best to upload here every Wednesday at 8 a.m. PST, so please take care until then. Feel free to enjoy these 2 videos linked here on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.